down to the tabletop. Not much, but it'll do. Gonna reshape it all and fucking put it a lot longer, a lot wider. Just filling it in for the moment. Got a bit of grass on the next clearing. Nice, Rick. Nice. Get him. The grass added to it. This grass dug out. Shove it off all the shit off this trailer into there. And we're just adding other shit. Rick, sponsored by Firepool. Slowly getting there. Get rid of all that weeds. It's gonna be a big table. Flying into the boom. Should be able to jump into this corner. Gonna try to build this massive. A little bit better now. Just gotta add a bit more to the sides. A little bit higher. Do that all by hand. Easy to hit. Got a load to chuck on her. Gonna build her up. Then build her a bit wider. Just tidy it up a bit. Should be fucking nut. So I've shoveled a wee bit off it. Starting to take shape now. It's a bit of a mess shoveling it by hand. Instead do this other side. Starting to tidy up a wee bit. You. Shovel this a wee bit in there. That'll do till tomorrow. Getting a bit dark. It's a lovely evening. Starting to take shape. It's hard to see in the dark. But need to burn all that wood. Get jumps happening over there. So I unloaded another trailer load. Shape up this other side. Just need another load for the other side of the landing. Build it up a bit bigger. What a fucking mission. Didn't turn out alright. A bit wider. Whew. The old girl, she's not running anymore. She didn't go very fucking far. What a piece of shit. Need someone to look at it. She can get a fucker going. She's ghetto, I'll tell you that. Have a little load chuck on her. Gonna be another fucking mission, unloading that. Just gotta beef it up a bit, and yeah, our rain's coming. Great. Now that's all off. Just need to pack it down, let the rain come in and do its thing, and I'll be able to hit it. What a fucking mush. Look at that dirt there. Jesus. There'll be some more vlogs coming soon. Probably building some more jumps and riding off. Yo!